Hi, Earl Hall here, Chief Marketing Officer for Arturo Johnson Consulting. What I want to do is give you a behind the scenes look to be very transparent and raw with how we look at things here at Arturo Johnson Consulting. What I'm going to share with you is a Zoom session, one of our Zoom sessions that we have every single morning with our senior advisors and our staff to really showcase what it is that we're offering here at Arturo Johnson Consulting. What you're about to hear is a couple of things. You're going to see our Done For You program and how it is that we make that offer. You're going to see what's in that offer, and it's going to be something that is going to show you that no matter what stage of your life insurance business you're in, you can do this. We have a very step-by-step approach to this. We have a tried and tested and proven method of not only being able to show you how to acquire clients, but also how to close those clients. So I want you to look at this and really digest from our CEO, Arturo Johnson Consulting, not only how he feels about our program, what that program offers to you, but how you can benefit from it. Let's dive in.
If I can get them 100 leads and their ad just takes off, then obviously, if they're getting leads at a certain cost, of course I'm conscious of that and I manage that. So again, the Done For You service this is the thing to generate 70 to 100 quality leads per month. Anybody have any questions about the first one? Cool beans. And so then the second one is the 7-figure community with other top level producers like name drop Jones Effect, Kevin, who wrote 15K in the last 2 days, or a multi 7-figure producer like Misty, who wrote 14,000 last month in the week, right? So you get to be a part of this community, right? To connect with them. And then, you can really sell this up. This is a huge selling point here because it's not just the offer. They get to be a part of this community, ask questions, blah, 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 and kind of go through that, right? And then the 7-figure sales training to show you how to have a rinse and repeat process to earn trust and turn a complete stranger into a policyholder in one single phone call. And then the Let Us Pay You program, right? So not only do you get all of the benefits from this program, but we also have something really special for all of our 6 and 7-figure clients that they all take advantage of. And this is how you can actually get this program for virtually free in one simple step and earn up to $30,000 a year just for being in the program. So not only will you get clients, not only will you save a lot of time, not only will you get all these benefits, but you actually can earn money just for joining this program in one simple step. Right. And so then this is as far as the weeds of like what's in the program as I'd get on the specifics. And then it's just really kind of just selling these points. Right. So the reason why this is pretty cool is because, with going through the discovery and everything, this also knocks down all those dominoes, right? So the things that they're doing, they're spending money on leads, they're wasting their time and money, they're tired of getting no-showed and canceled and all of those things, right? So this gets them in front of quality folks. And then this allows them to have support in the community. And what we're learning is from things that we've discussed is even after they're sold the dream to become a life insurance agent, they don't have any support. Okay. Which is why I discuss the benefits of the program, because a lot of people are just looking for some help and some direction to be able to ask questions. They may not already know the answer, but they want this part here. They want accountability and encouragement in a group so that they won't fail. This is a huge psychological piece for them. And you need to know this because this is what they're doing, because you got people coming in that don't know anything about business. They're just sold a dream so that they won't fail, right, and be alone and have a ton of support. And they also get to be connected with people that are producing at a high clip. So iron sharpens iron. Just being in this group is going to make you make more calls, make more dials, because you start to want to achieve some of these things. And being in this group, you feel like you can do it. So because you want to be the next person to post in here. Right. I know this because I joined the mastermind when I was making like 10K. It cost me 30,000 because I wanted to be that next testimonial, and I did whatever it takes. And so this is something psychological that works. But also, if they're like, oh, I don't know if I can do this over the phone. Well, we give you the seven-figure sales training, right? To show you how to do it. And this is just a key selling point, because this knocks over that domino. Well, I don't know if I can do this over the phone. We teach you how to earn trust and turn a complete stranger into a policyholder in one single phone call. And we go through a step-by-step with hours of breaking it down in the back end of the training. If you've even stuck your nose in there, we know that there's at least 4 hours of Greg Jones himself just doing offline, just off the cuff, just going through his whole process. That is machine-like to close prospects, that they get access to that. And the reason why we put this in there in addition to it is because, one, we're doing the service. Two, we want to give them something. So we give them access to a community, but we also give them something tangible that they can use, that they get lifetime access to, right? Which is a training. So they instantly get something. And then from there, the Let Us Pay You program is, once we get you great results, here's how you're going to be able to get more customers, right? Because when they refer people, we'll end up, there'll be so many of these people coming in, there'll be laydowns, right? So for example, once we get a hold of the folks that Kevin refers to us and this testimonial gets out there, do you think we're going to be getting laydowns? Do you, like Jack just mentioned in Kevin's name, people have signed up for this. And so this program is basically anybody that they refer to us. Earl, can you do me a favor and pull up the AA Facebook group, please? So anybody that they refer to us for the AA program that signs up, then they'll get $500 per month for every month that person is there. And so we make it really simple that they can copy and paste an email, put that person's name in there, and then CC us on it to support. And then the setters on the back end do the rest. And if somebody like Kevin or somebody else like Misty refers somebody, usually, out of those 5, 2 to 3 of those will become customers, and they all usually book an appointment. All right, really quickly, Earl, can you share your screen real quick? I think Jack will have to make you admin real quick. Actually, what? I'll come back to that. Hang on one second, Jack, before you do that. Hang on, let me just finish what I'm about to say. So then that comes to this piece here, which is handling objections. And I in the beginning, I would do it sometimes, and then I wouldn't do it. But this consistently overall handles and fixes everything, because you have to know that there's a current situation and a desired situation. And regardless of what it is, because most people don't know what they need to do, regardless of what it is, if you want to get to that goal bad enough, you're going to do whatever it takes, and you don't care what it is, right? So if it was only to do cold call, if it was only reaching out to people at the mall, if I wanted to go from 10 to 50K, and that was the only way, but somebody was going to show me how to do it effectively, I would do it, right? If that was the best way. If it was sending text messages to people, that I had to send on 1,000 text messages every single day, somebody gave me the templates, how to respond to it, or gave me the framework, I would do that. If it was sending out emails, right? If it was telesales, whatever it is.
I'm sure that this was very impactful and insightful for you to be able to watch us really discuss and talk about what it is that we do at Arturo Johnson Consulting for your benefit. Basically, we set up layups for you. We set up a process that is going to get you leads, booking appointments on your calendar, and you're even going to be able to show you how to close those leads. We've connected the dots here so that you have the benefit of knowing that whatever stage you're in your life insurance business, you're going to be able to succeed. Not only that, but excel and thrive in everything it is that you're doing. So many times, all you need is a plan. So many times, life insurance agents have come into this industry, they've been recruited, but they don't have the real necessary skills in order to be able to make an impact in their own income and also by protecting all the families out there that need to be covered with life insurance. That's your job. That's your goal, is to protect families and to provide for your own. We've been able to set up this system whereby literally you're the hero. We're going to show you how to do all of this. We're going to take this, set this up for you in this AA program, as we call it. It's completely done for you. And with that, put you in a community that you're going to be able to talk to other life insurance agents that are crushing it right now. We're going to be able to give you the training that you need, because all of the people that you've seen in this video, from our CEO, Arturo Johnson, to all the faces on the screen, we've been in the life insurance industry. We know it inside and out. And this is why we service this industry so well, because this is all we do. There are going to be some links around this video. I want to make sure that you go ahead. I want you to talk to us. You can schedule an appointment with us at a time that's convenient for you. You can ask us all the questions that you need to ask. And we're going to go ahead and get you enrolled so that from the time that you come aboard, within 48 hours, you're going to start seeing these results. You're going to start having these success stories. Click the link around this video. Get to us any way you can. Don't wait. Do not wait. We can only accept so many people in this Done For You program as it is. Don't procrastinate. Get in it and make the decision that you need to make so that you can stop the confusion and the frustration that you may be feeling right now around building your life insurance business. Click the link. We look forward to talking to you.